Wintony, 27 years of IT background, varying from mainframe operations, OS 390, to Microsoft, to VMware, currently working as a Windows Systems Analyst for a data center migration to move from a data center from downtown to the location up in BCC. Being here with NetSoft has been one of the greatest things. The good thing is I can come here on the weekends, I can do my training and still not interfere with my work during the daytime. Other companies, the other schools, they only do it during the daytime, and I would lose both a lot of money, both in comparisons to the things, and I find that sometimes their schooling is not as knowledgeable, and it's just done within 5 days, whilst here it's done over several weeks, and you get a double the amount and more hands-on experience rather than other schools. I get to meet new people, networking, meet some old friends, and get to know what's going on in the whole community. It's given me more knowledge. It's given me, for myself, it's given more understanding on technology that I would have probably never got whether working within large, because I work more predominantly in large corporations, so I'm just really predominantly siloed into one specific area.